Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Aadhaar, PAN, a clear selfie, and the mobile number linked to your PNB account. Open PNB's official app or net banking portal and sign in with your credentials. When prompted, allow camera and location temporarily. Once logged in, go to Profile or Services and choose Update KYC. This quick selection begins the workflow. Do it now so you don't lose the OTP window. Having documents at hand speeds verification and reduces rejections later. You'll next upload documents carefully. Choose Aadhaar or PAN, then capture or upload clear, well-lit images. Use the app's OCR preview to spot and fix mismatches. This is why exact spelling and format matter. Once images are accepted, you'll either submit a selfie for facial match or proceed with live video KYC. Make sure your face is centered and well-lit. Expect OTP prompts and occasional biometric confirmation. Follow each on-screen instruction promptly to keep the session valid. You finish by reviewing the summary carefully, accepting declarations, and submitting the KYC update. Note the reference ID shown. Once submitted, processing can take from minutes to a few days. Monitor SMS and app notifications for completion. If the update is rejected, don't panic. Check image clarity, correct document names, and confirm your mobile is linked to the account, then retry. If problems persist, visit the branch with originals and the reference ID so staff can resolve exceptions quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.